TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and I have something special for us today, folks. Over the weekend, I spent about 3 hours early Sunday morning with John Jameson talking about the MAGA stocks and what they've done over the last, since they started. And so what I've got for you is a history of the MAGA stocks since they very began. And the biggest one of them all, believe it or not, happens to be Microsoft. It started in 1986 at $17 a share. And this includes all the splits, folks. This is why it's so interesting. If you go back and look at all the splits, you can still see the ABCD pattern. Coming to the 382 back here, the COVID thing, you remember that. It measured to 556. You see the 1.618 is 558. The high on this stock was 558 and a quarter, the exact high. It's just hard to believe, but that's what it was. But if you would have bought, let's just say you buy 500 shares at back here at $17, okay? In 1986, 500 shares. Do you know how much that's worth right now, folks? $72 million. Now, here's where Bill Gates got rid of all of his stuff and Steve Ballmer took over, okay? And you can see what's going on with that. So that's what we're looking at. I'm going to go through each one of these stocks to show you that all of them have one thing in common, that when you add the splits to it, they still come up to A, B equals CD, every single one of them. And some of them are really, really funny to look at because one I happen to be involved with, which we'll cover when we come up to the next one here, which is Google. And I wanted to show you what we did with that. But I went through every single one of these and I've double checked it with AI and also with John. So the data is correct. These are the actual figures, but the actual percent win on this is 510,000%. Repeat, 510,000%. Since 1986 in Microsoft. Now, that's what we call better than you can get at the bank. All right, folks, we'll take a little break here. We come back, we're going to go through these one at a time so that you can see what they did and you can make up your mind whether you want to be a long-term investor or not. So stay with us and we'll be right back.